Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log your meals on MyFitnessPal. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? Simply go ahead and open your MyFitnessPal application. Once you've done that, make sure that you've already logged in into your account. I've already made a video on how you can go ahead and do that. Now, all you need to do in order to go ahead and log your meal is going to be simply tap on this plus icon right over here. You can simply go ahead and click on log food right over here. And you can simply go ahead and search for what food that you had. So for example, white rice maybe for lunch, right? Maybe you had some spinach. So let me just go ahead and search for spinach. And then I'm simply gonna go ahead and choose baby spinach, for example. Okay, 25 grams seems fine. Maybe you had something like potatoes, maybe, right? You can simply go ahead and add that as well. So maybe one medium. And there you go. It's going to simply go ahead and add your food, and it's also going to simply go ahead and show you how much calorie it's remaining for you to go ahead and have. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.